Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to harvest and grow mint from cuttings. Mint is one of the easiest crop to grow and also it has lot of health benefits. I use mint a lot in my kitchen. I make lot of recipes with mint. I use at least 1 or 2 bunches of mint every week. I'm going to show you how to make a simple pudina rice or mint rice using this mint. As I use lot of mint in my kitchen, I like to grow this mint in my garden. You can grow mint in like 3 or 4 containers like this, or you can also grow in a very big container so that you can harvest every week. Look at this fresh organic mint. The leaves are bright green and also it smells amazing. Avoid growing mint in the ground because it sends runners and occupy your whole garden. So better to plant in a big pot or in a container like this. Another tip is to avoid full sunlight. I keep it in a place where it gets the morning sun and for the rest of the day it is in the shade. Mint likes the soil to be moist, so you need to make sure you water the plant daily. But at the same time, the container should have drainage holes so that the excess water can drain easily. Look at these mint leaves. They are so big, bright green and it smells amazing. I potted this mint with just 2 to 3 stems before 4 weeks and it is now ready to harvest. I didn't add any fertilizer for this mint plants. All I added was rinsed rice water and also the cooked rice water like once in every 5 days. I have made another video on how to make rice water fertilizer in your kitchen. If you are interested, please watch the video using the link in the description box. Look at this mint harvest. This is so fresh, amazing, straight from the garden. This is organic, homegrown and it doesn't have any pesticide in it. We take lot of green leaves thinking that it is good for health. But if we buy it in the market, there is no guarantee there are no pesticides in it, and it is also there is no guarantee it was grown organic way. So you can grow these mints easily in your kitchen or in your garden. Now let's see how to grow mint from these cuttings. You need to choose strong stems and then remove all the leaves except the 4 leaves in the top. Now we have removed all the leaves and you can use it in your kitchen. And with the stems, we are going to regrow it. After selecting the healthy stems, you can put it in the water. Make sure you change this water every alternative day, otherwise the roots will be rotten. It will take 10 days for the roots to be established in these stems. You can then plant those stems in the pot directly. With this fresh mint leaves, we are going to see how to make mint pachadi and then I'll mix it with rice to make it a mint rice. For this pachadi, soak little bit of tamarind in the water and then take 1 bunch of pudina, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 4 dry chilies, 2 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of hing and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. First you need to dry roast all of them in a medium flame. Make sure you roast it in the medium flame so that they don't get burnt. Once you started getting the aroma from the spices and also the color changes to light brown, you can switch off the stove and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil and then fry the mint leaves. I'm taking 1 bunch of mint leaves and this pachadi will be spicy. If you make it for kids, you can take 2 bunch of mint leaves for the same amount of spices. You need to fry this mint leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Once fried, the leaves will be shrinked. First you need to grind the roasted mixture, otherwise it will not grind if you put everything together. And then add the fried mint leaves along with the tamarind water. First put it for like 10 to 20 seconds. It will grind a little bit and then you can add little bit of water if it is not grinded properly. After 2 to 3 rounds of mixing and grinding, the pachadi will look like this. This smells really great. You can use this pachadi for idli or dosa. You can also mix it with rice and make it a flavorful mint rice. Your mint rice is ready from the organic mint harvested from the garden. It's very easy to grow mint from the cuttings, and I'm sure you will try this recipe. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Hope this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.